Alright guys, it's not even after Christmas. I'm recording this on Christmas Eve, and apparently I'm going to declutter something for you. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because this is my first video of the year of my Tidy and Reorganize series that I started a couple years ago. I am going around the house and tidying and reorganizing areas that I have already decluttered. Okay, you won't be seeing this until after Christmas, but anyway, I just was straightening up and stuff and cleaning my kitchen desk. I still didn't do that. Putting all the stuff away because I had like scissors and ribbon and these lights and all that. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to store some of it in here because I like to store the fairy lights in here. I don't want to put them in the garage. They'll get ruined and stuff. And so I started to go through some stuff. So one, this Kahlua and that Kahlua was in here. So I took that out for hubby. I'm gonna take these wine glasses out and wash them. They're dirty. And then these, well, this one's empty. These two I can go put in the closet. That's where I keep my linen closet. I keep the candles and the wax melts. I don't have very many, but all right. So I'm thinking, I never use this. I'm thinking that can go. I will not get rid of this. I love this, but I don't hardly ever use it. Maybe, you know what? Maybe I'll put that in the hutch. I'm gonna clean that and put that in the hutch. And this is my cocoa bar still, because again, it's still Christmas. All right, so this is I use for spring and summer decor. So, and really, I have a lot of this stuff. So this is Christmas, it's like vase fillers and stuff, and then this is fall. So let me put all the spring stuff in this drawer. This is just all stuff that I don't want to put in the attic for seasonal. Or not the attic. I don't store anything in the attic anymore. It's in the garage. And I wouldn't mind eventually putting all of my summer fall stuff in here and not, I don't really have summer stuff. Not summer and fall. My spring stuff. I don't really have that much spring stuff. And maybe my Valentine's stuff. I don't really know what I'm doing, to tell you the truth. Just take out. Look, there's empty bags there. I think that's because I have some stuff out. All right, well, to me that makes more sense to keep. I wonder if I should put the candles in there too. The yellow candles. Yeah, all right, and I don't know what this stuff is, and I was keeping ribbon in the craft room, but that's just regular, just everyday ribbon, whatever that means. And this was like I think I'm gonna keep Christmas ribbon, and this burlap, I don't know. I might go ahead and put that because I use that periodically throughout the year. And then I just have this one candle, which, do I need that? Because usually I need 2 candles. Do I have something to put that on? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, this drawer is shot glasses, keepsake shot glasses that were my son's. Yeah, coasters and a wine bottle opener, and I believe that's what's in here too. So that stuff is staying. This actually, I don't know if it's gonna fit. I could use that for spring. Maybe I'll just reserve this drawer for ribbon. And so these 2 drawers were for lights and stuff. So I think, I don't know. Oh, and they're like for these things, these little, what do you call it? Votive lights and stuff. So I have some other lights to put in there. Oh, and here's the spring Easter stuff. Some of that's in there. I was contemplating getting rid of these. I don't know. All right, I put these back in there. These are my fall and Christmas vase fillers. I don't use them for to fill vases. I use it to put it in my tier trays. That's what I use it for. Or, I don't know, some other thing. Some dishes and stuff. I don't use it for a vase, per se, because I don't really have any vases. I kind of get rid of all my vases. So, like, I'm getting rid of that one, because I never use it. I have one specific vase that I'll show you later that I put my flowers in. I just bought myself some new flowers today. There we go. So, this, even though I like it, I never use it. I don't need it. And then all this wine, it's supposed to be a wine bar, right? But I don't know, how long does wine last? Why did that feel like that was leaking? Oh, I see something hiding back there. Do I want that? Nah, I think I got it from the Dollar Tree. Whatever, I think I can let that go. All right, I'm gonna leave that wine in there for now, and I was gonna wash these, but why bother? I'll just wash them when I use them, which is rarely. So what do I have? 3? These are just regular, not fancy wine glasses. I have my fancy wine glasses in my hutch, which again, I don't use that often. Anyway, and I'm sure hubby will finish up. This one's empty, and then both of these, oh, that has quite a bit in there. That sounds good. Mocha Kahlua and the hazelnut Kahlua. He's been putting it in his coffee. Yum, right? This drawer is just housing pictures that I usually put on the sideboard when it's not Christmas. This is of me in my wedding dress, and that's my nephew, who's now like almost 40, and he was the ring bearer, so cute. And then this is our family picture that we took in 2012, and my sister Kim, she passed away 3 years ago, and Mom passed away this year. And I don't know, but I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 grandchildren, and there's 16. So you do the math on that. What is that? 7 more grandchildren have been born since then. I'll just leave that there for this because I like to take them out. Actually, I should take this out and put it somewhere now. I don't know. I don't have a spot for it. We'll wait. That was taken at Christmas time. And then there's these 2 candles. I guess I still want to keep that. So I don't know about all that stuff. Like I think I should put that somewhere else. All right. So what else do I want to put in here? This is definitely going to go in the hutch. I'm not going to clean this out or wash this either because I have to wash all these dishes. I haven't washed them in a while. And even though it's closed, it does still get dusty. So this, I'll just put here. That goes with my glasses. This is Princess House. Raise your hand in the comments below if you remember that. They had like parties, like Tupperware parties, but it was Princess House. So both of those sets I got for a wedding present. I don't remember from who. But both of the sets are missing one glass. One glass broke. Actually, one's right there. And why am I keeping it? I don't know. I should just try to replace this one and that one on eBay. But honestly, I don't need it. I don't need it. It's fine. It's fine if I have a set of 5. That gives me 10 glasses and I can mix and match. So I have all these fairy lights that I bought, and I haven't used them all, but I'm sure I will. I managed to buy this one, didn't use it either. This is one of those ones that syncs to your music. I don't know. I might find some place for it. I just happened to pick it up the other day. Seriously, why do I need that? So I'm going to put all those in here. Yeah. And then all the ones that are around the house, I'm going to put in here too. That's because I'll use those throughout the year. for different things. Valentine's Day, fall, anyway. And this one is broken and needs to be thrown away. One morning I woke up and this was on the staircase and chewed in half by guess who? Calvin. All right, so this is what I got. This is empty. This, I showed you that drawer. And then this drawer has all of the spring stuff in there. Has all of the decor ribbon. All the ribbon that I use for, I don't know, crafting ribbon is in my craft room. So this is for decor, like Christmas and whatever else I'm going to use it for. And then this has got candles. Probably could. I don't know. That's all the candles that I have. And then this is Easter. I was thinking about putting the spring in there, but I don't think it'll fit. And then this, again, is the pictures. And then this has potpourri in it. And I have extra bags in there because it's potpourri all around the house now. And then the wine and the wine glasses. And then that drawer is empty. And then this one houses all the lights. If I need more room, this is a smaller drawer. If I need more room, I'll move them into here. And then that drawer will be empty. So, yeah, that's cleaned out. If or when I do the hutch, some of that stuff might come in here. Like all of maybe the Easter stuff. I'll keep all there's some fall stuff stored in the hutch. So maybe I'll keep all the fall stuff in the hutch and all the Easter spring stuff here. I don't know. Anyway, so, and that's relocate. And that's all, no, that's relocate. And that's all garbage. And this is donate. And then this necklace that I never did find a battery for, I think I'm going to store that in here too because I don't want to store that in the garage. Anything that I'm afraid humidity might get to it, I'm storing here. So, okay guys, are you ready for a decluttering challenge? In February, I'm going to start the minimalism game. What you do is you declutter one thing on February 1st, 2 things on February 2nd, and so on and so forth. And by the end of the month, you will have had decluttered 406 items. So I'm hosting this challenge, and I have some other YouTubers that are joining me. Dee from D Lovely Life, and Karen from This Maynard's Mom, and Karina at Life's Little Things, and Colette from Celtic Lassie, and Gina from Gina Pearson. So if you would like to join us, we would love to have you join. You can follow us on, or me on my Facebook page at Decluttering with My Everyday Wife Life. And if you want to tag us on Instagram, you can use the hashtag minimalismgame2021 and show us what you have decluttered daily. The link to my Facebook page, Decluttering with My Everyday Wife Life, will be in the description below. And until next time, guys, enjoy your day. And don't forget, love you, bunches and bunches, and oodles and oodles.